So till now we have learned how to draw a bar graph and how to draw a histogram. In the third question, let us learn how to draw a frequency polygon. Question is, in a city, the weekly observations made in a study on the cost of living index are given in the following table. Cost of living index is given to you, number of weeks is given to you. You have to draw a frequency polygon for the given data. So to draw a frequency polygon, we draw another column for the given question. And there we write something called as class mark. Okay, we write class mark. Now what is class mark? Now when you consider class interval 140 to 150, okay, the highest number is 150, which is called upper limit, and 140 is the smaller number, so it is termed as lower class limit. Clear? So in a class interval, the highest number is called upper class limit and the lower number is called lower class limit. Class mark, we find class mark as upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. Upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. Now in this case, upper limit is 150 plus a lower limit is 140 divided by 2. So what is 150 plus 140? 290. So 290 divided by 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8, carry 1, 2 fives are 10. So class mark is 145. In other words, the number which comes exactly in between the class interval, that number is called class mark. So 145 comes exactly in between 140 and 150, correct? So 145 will be the class mark. What will the class mark for 150 to 160? This will be 155, correct. 160 to 170? 165, correct. Then 175, then 185, then 195. Clear? Now let us draw a frequency polygon for this data. So for that we take a graph paper. We draw x-axis and y-axis. We put arrow mark for the lines drawn. Now the question given has two things, right? Cost of living index and number of weeks. So we say cost of living index here. And number of weeks towards the vertical line on the y-axis. Okay. Now here cost of living index, we write class mark. We write class mark. Now tell me which number will come before 145. Think and tell me. See, here see 145, 155, 165, 175. So which number will come before 145? 135. So that number we write first. So we put a 0 here. We write 135, then 145, then 155, 165, 175, 185, 195, and then after 195 what will get? 205. Clear? Number of weeks. Now if you look at number of weeks, the lowest number is 2, highest number is 20. So we write the numbers as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So now look at the question back again. For class mark 145, number of weeks 5. So at 145 we mark the frequency as 5 and put a dot like this. Clear? Then for 155 it is 10. Then 165 it is 20. Then 175 it is 9. 9 is here. Then 185 is 6. Then 195 is 2. Okay, and then what you do is you join them. So you start from 135, one line, then join to the last number like this. So this is frequency polygon. Clear, children? Okay, thank you very much.